In the next 5 years, millions of jobs will vanish, not because of people, but because of AI. And some of them you'd never expect.
AI.
AI.
But it's not hardware that has white-collar workers concerned. It's rapidly advancing software, since artificial intelligence is doing a lot more than finishing emails.
ChatGPT took the verbal IQ test, which measured 155, which is higher than 99.9% of people that took the same part of the test. And a new study showed that AI will affect over 80% of the US workforce.
Let's talk about the jobs most at risk, and why it's not just truck drivers anymore. What if I told you that AI isn't just coming for factory jobs? It's coming for your boss. It's coming for your accountant. It's coming for your lawyer. And yes, it might even come for you. We're not talking about science fiction. We're talking about right now. Real companies, real layoffs, real algorithms replacing real people. Let's break down the jobs that are vanishing the fastest, and the one thing you can do to avoid being next. Let's start with the ones you probably expected. Jobs like warehouse pickers, customer support reps, data entry clerks, basic accountants. They're already being replaced by AI and automation, quietly, efficiently, and permanently. Companies don't need to train a machine. They don't need to give it lunch breaks, and it never asks for a raise. Now here's where it gets scary. Because AI isn't just replacing low-skilled jobs, it's going after the high-paying ones, the ones you thought were safe. Paralegals and legal researchers. Why pay for 10 interns when GPT-4 can summarize 300 pages of legal documents in minutes? Junior programmers, AI coding assistants like Copilot are already doing what used to take days, in seconds. Radiologists and medical analysts. AI now detects certain cancers more accurately than trained doctors. In trials, it spotted breast tumors missed by humans.
ChexNet was given tens of thousands of images and told which ones have pneumonia and which don't. Then it trained itself to recognize patterns and identify pneumonia in new X-rays. This process is called deep learning.
Journalists and copywriters, news outlets are quietly using AI to generate headlines, blurbs, even full articles, all without a single human touch. Middle managers. Some companies are experimenting with AI to run schedules, track performance, and even fire people. Yes, AI is learning how to be a manager. Here's the irony. The jobs most at risk are the ones that follow the rules. Jobs where tasks are repetitive, predictable, data-driven. Because that's exactly what AI is best at. The more structured your job is, the easier it is to automate.
The World Economic Forum, which is the meeting of some of the world's most powerful people, aka the closest thing to real-world Illuminatis, estimates that 85 million jobs will be affected by this shift, and that roughly 25% of all jobs will be replaced by artificial intelligence, and that's just in the next 5 years.
But here's the twist. AI isn't just taking jobs. It's creating a new kind of worker. Want to survive the wave? Here's what AI still can't do well. Jobs that require deep emotional intelligence. Therapists, nurses, negotiators, great teachers. Jobs that thrive on creative chaos. Storytellers, inventors, filmmakers, scientists asking new questions. Jobs that require human trust. Coaches, doctors with empathy, leaders who inspire, creators who connect. And finally, the most powerful job of all, humans who know how to use AI better than everyone else. The truth is, AI won't take your job, but someone who knows how to use AI absolutely will. So here's your choice: adapt, learn the tools, or be left behind by them. Because the future doesn't belong to the machines, it belongs to the people who know how to make the machines work for them.
Currently, 25% of work tasks could be automated by AI in the US, according to Goldman Sachs research.
Subscribe for more science, tech, and future of work videos, because the next 5 years are going to change everything.
Well, I think we are seeing the most disruptive force in history here. There will come a point where no job is needed. You can have a job if you want to have a job for sort of personal satisfaction, but the AI will be able to do everything.